How to convert retirement savings to gold without paying taxes. In today's uncertain financial world, many retirees and soon-to-be retirees are looking to gold as a stable way to protect their savings. But how can you move your retirement funds into gold without triggering taxes or penalties? The answer: use a gold IRA, a special kind of retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other approved metals. Let's walk through how to do this properly and legally. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a gold IRA? A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that lets you invest in IRS-approved physical precious metals, such as gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. Unlike traditional IRAs that only allow stocks and bonds, a gold IRA holds real, tangible assets. Eligible retirement accounts: you can move funds into a gold IRA from several retirement plans, such as Traditional IRA, Roth IRA, SEP IRA, Simple IRA, 401k, 403b, 457b, if you've left the job, TSP, Thrift Savings Plan, with conditions. If you're still working at the company that holds your retirement account, check for restrictions. 2 ways to transfer funds without taxes. 1. Direct rollover, recommended. Your current custodian sends funds directly to your new gold IRA custodian. No money comes to you personally. No taxes withheld, no penalties. This is the safest, IRS-approved method. 2. Indirect rollover, riskier. The money is sent to you first. You must redeposit it into a gold IRA within 60 days. If you miss the deadline, the IRS treats it as a withdrawal, with taxes and a 10% penalty if under age 59.5. Only one indirect rollover is allowed every 12 months. Choosing a custodian and dealer: the IRS requires a qualified custodian to manage your gold IRA. This custodian handles buying and storing the gold, filing reports with the IRS, keeping your account compliant. Also, you need a precious metals dealer to supply the gold. Always check that the gold meets IRS purity standards, for example, 99.5% pure for bars. The depository is IRS approved, insured, and secure. Your metals are stored separately, not mixed with others. Approved types of gold: you can't just buy any gold. The following are allowed: American Gold Eagle coins, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf coins, bars and rounds from approved refiners, like Pamp Suisse. Certain proof coins, collectibles and rare coins are not allowed. Why choose a gold IRA? Tax advantages: keep your tax-deferred or tax-free status. Inflation protection: gold tends to hold value during economic stress. Portfolio diversification: gold moves differently than stocks. Physical ownership: you actually own the metal, not just a paper asset. Before transferring funds, avoid companies with hidden fees or pushy tactics. Ensure your custodian is IRS compliant. Get clear documentation. Speak with a tax professional or fiduciary advisor. Moving retirement funds to gold without paying taxes is not only legal, it's smart if done right. A gold IRA offers you safety, diversity, and long-term value, all while preserving your retirement benefits. Just follow IRS rules carefully, and you can protect your savings with one of history's most trusted assets. Free Gold IRA Guide: learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.